Hello good people, how are you all? I'm doing great. I have come to you again with something very important and interesting. So let's see the topic for today. The topic we will talk about today is Amazon FBA versus FBM versus Amazon Prime. Are you confused? There are 3 topics here which we will cover today. If you are an Amazon seller and you are aiming to increase your freelance sales, this video is just for you. The goal of your Amazon business is to grow sales, right? Okay then. Well, welcome to today's episode. My name is Irtifa and I will be your host for today. So, to follow our videos, you have to subscribe to our channel. Then, what are you waiting for? Well, without any further delay, let's get to the real talk. Almost all of us know about FBA, FBM and Amazon Prime. Even so, I want to go over it once more for you guys and go through the features also. So, let's get to the first point. What is FBA? FBA or Fulfillment by Amazon is a service that helps Amazon sellers outsource shipping to Amazon. With the fulfillment option, Amazon stores, picks, packs, ships and delivers the products to customers. So guys, let's come to know the features of FBA. Number 1. Prime eligibility. Number 2. Hands-off fulfillment. Number 3. Multi-channel fulfillment. Number 4. Lower shipping rates. Number 5. More storage space. The second one is FBM. FBM or Fulfilled by Merchant refers to the method of selling where a seller lists products on Amazon.com but manages storage, shipping and customer support independently. Let's come to know the features of FBM. Number 1. Hands-on fulfillment. Number 2. Fewer Amazon fees. Number 3. Opportunity for Prime. Number 4. Slightly higher margins. Number 5. Handles storage and all aspects of order fulfillment. Guys, the last one is Amazon Prime. The Amazon Prime membership includes various perks including free delivery, 2-day, 1-day and same-day delivery options, streaming, shopping and reading benefits on each site. Amazon Prime is a subscription membership to Amazon that offers customers premium service for a yearly or monthly fee. Let's come to know the features of Amazon Prime. Number 1. Free scheduled delivery to eligible addresses. Number 2. Free same-day delivery to eligible addresses. Number 3. Prime Early Access get early access to lightning deals. Number 4. Special deals at Whole Foods. Number 5. In large cities, other services get rolled out like same-day delivery of all groceries. Number 6. Free shipping is the biggest draw. Number 7. Let's you earn those credits that are currently being offered as a reward for choosing the no rush shipping, which is something that I have enjoyed. Let's move on to the next topic. Today we will talk about the pros and cons of these 3 services and which will be the best for your business. Benefits of FBA. Number 1. Prime shipping becomes automatically available for your products when you join the FBA program. Number 2. Customers that have a Prime subscription can receive your products within 1 to 4 days at no extra cost. Number 3. Having the Prime logo next to your products will automatically increase your sales and attract more Prime buyers. Number 4. The number of Prime customers worldwide is even greater. These customers generally make more purchases than people without a subscription. So, participating in the FBA program is an excellent way to meet all of the requirements and it will significantly increase your chances of winning the buy box. Let's come to know the benefits of FBM. Number 1. You can check your stock and schedule its replenishment whenever you want without having to wait for Amazon's reports, which takes some time to arrive. Number 2. In addition, you will store your products, ship them and handle all customer service and returns. Number 3. You will have a much better understanding of your customers' needs and behaviors. Number 4. Numerous non-Amazon sales channels provide substantial discounts on shipping and supplies. Number 5. With the right assistance and calculations, you can reduce your shipping duration and make its cost more competitive with ground pricing. You can get Prime shipping for your products without enrolling in the FBA program. Now, let's see the benefits of Amazon Prime. Number 1. Reach the most loyal Amazon customers. Number 2. Offer guaranteed delivery date messaging. Number 3. 24/7 after-sale customer service. Number 4. Grow business with lightning deals. And number 5. Manage your stock across multiple channels. So far, we went over the benefits that can be enjoyed for each method. Now, let's see the difference between them and compares. The way Amazon FBA works is very straightforward. Amazon FBA is like having your warehouse, pickers and packers. Amazon's team will dispatch all your orders and handle all your customers' emails, including letting your customer know if their item has been dispatched or not. They will also deal with shipping and payments too. Besides, as an e-commerce seller, you can handle fulfillment in-house using Fulfillment by Amazon. FBA or Fulfillment by Amazon is an Amazon service that enables sellers to send inventory to Amazon so that they can store, ship and handle returns of your products for a fee. But FBM is where the seller stores, ships and handles return on their own. FBA Amazon is how a seller sends their products directly to Amazon's warehouse. But these things are not possible in FBM. By FBM Amazon, seller lists their products on Amazon and manages all storage, shipping and customer support. But using FBA stores the inventory and ships it directly to the customer. And not only this, but they also manage customer support. Most importantly, your inventory turns over slowly through FBM. On the other hand, your inventory turns over so quickly by FBA. You have sufficient space to store your inventory by FBM, and you will find more spaces than FBA. Unlike FBA, whereby the seller pays a fees to Amazon so that they can handle everything on their behalf, FBM gives the seller full control of the entire process. The seller uses their resources to store, pack and ship orders. FBA is good for items with a fast turnover and large margin products, while FBM is better for items with low turnover or one-offs. Fulfillment by Amazon is a popular program on Amazon, but with its fees being high, Fulfilled by Merchants becomes a relevant alternative with its pros and cons. Now let's take a look at the new service, Amazon Prime. Amazon Prime is a brand new service on Amazon. Amazon Prime's key benefits is its free 2-day shipping on millions of eligible items. In some cities, you can even get same-day delivery on eligible orders. While Amazon does offer free standard shipping on qualifying orders of $25 or more to non-Prime customers, it takes 5 to 8 business days for those orders to arrive. Whether you are considering a Prime membership for yourself or you already have one, make sure you are aware of the price tag before signing up or renewing. Now let's find out the criteria to become eligible for Amazon Prime. Have an Amazon professional seller account, have a domestic warehouse from which to fulfill your orders, ship over 99% of your orders on time, have an order cancellation rate of less than 0.5%, use Amazon Buy shipping services for at least 98% of orders, deliver orders with your support seller fulfilled Prime carriers. The sellers must agree to the Amazon returns policy and allow for all customer service inquiries to be dealt with by Amazon. Seller fulfilled Prime does not carry any extra cost. You will only pay the standard Amazon referral fees and the transportation fees of approved carriers. Let's know which one ensures first delivery. It depends on what kind of products you are selling, but in general, FBA is better than FBM and Amazon Prime, as it provides faster delivery and better experience for buyers. Let's find out how. Number 1. FBA offers usually gain more weight than a standard FBM with buy box. On the other hand, FBM is opposite of FBA where all things are managed by the merchant. Number 2. Products can be delivered in a minimum of 1 to 2 days, but this is not possible by FBM and Amazon Prime every time. Number 3. FBA provides fast and cheap shipping for Prime members and a higher conversion rate for businesses. Number 4. FBA sellers are automatically eligible for Prime benefits. However, FBA sellers must first qualify to become a Prime sellers once they join Amazon Seller Fulfilled Prime program and complete the trial period. Number 5. Maintaining Prime eligibility is tough, and even missing delivery time by a percentage point can result in Amazon removing you from the SFP program. FBA is better for high volume, higher margin products, where sellers don't have to handle storing and shipping products. FBM is better for smaller scale, small margin products or one-off products where the seller does not mind storing and shipping the products. If you like having more control over your inventory, then FBM is just for you. However, if you like the idea of Amazon storing and dealing with returns, then FBA is the way to go. For companies and brands that currently have no sales channels or fulfillment methods in place, Amazon FBA allows immediate access to a gigantic logistics network for a price. So viewers, analysis of these three services shows that no one has been able to beat the FBA on Amazon. So far, this service is very fast ahead compared to everything else. However, we can expect Amazon Prime to follow soon. Since this is a new service on Amazon, we can only hope for the best now. Mates, that's all for today. We have learned about FBA, FBM and Amazon Prime and went through its features, pros and cons. And yes, one last thing. In the case of business, you must remember that you should not only think about sales and profit, but also how to reach the best service to the customer. If the customers are not pleased with the delivery process and products, you will not make any sales. Anyways, gotta go. I want you all to subscribe to our channel as I said before, so that you and your friends can get the latest videos that will help your business to grow. If there is any confusion or any query, you can also check our website www.ecomclips.com for a detailed blog about this video. The link will be added in the description box. Until then, wait for the next episode guys. See you in the upcoming videos. Stay safe and stay positive. Happy shopping. Bye bye.